Hello everyone! Are you ready to learn something new? Our topic for today is about advanced image manipulation techniques. Share your thoughts and let's have a great discussion. Advanced image manipulation techniques. Advanced image manipulation techniques involves a combination of software tools, AI-based methods, and traditional editing skills. Number 1. AI-powered editing. AI-powered editing uses artificial intelligence to enhance, modify, or generate image automatically with precision and speed. A. Generative fill and AI in painting. Tools like Adobe Photoshop's generative fill and DALL-E allows filming in missing parts. B. AI-based object removal. Software like Content-Aware Fill, Photoshops, and Remove can delete unwanted objects. C. Neutral filters. AI-powered filters in Photoshop enhance or alter image. Number 2. Advanced layering and masking. Control the visibility and affects the specific area. A. Clipping mask. Used to apply effects to specific areas without altering the base layer. B. Luminosity mask. Select and edit the highlights, midtones, and adjustment. C. Frequency separation. Separates texture from color high skin retouching. Number 3. 3D and perspective manipulative. A. Vanishing point tool. Helps in applying textures and adjustment that align with an image perspective. B. 3D modeling integration. C. Depth mapping. Used to add a realistic depth of field effect and depth-based lighting changes. 4. Color grading and manipulation. A. Gradients mapping. Enhance depth by applying custom color gradients. B. Split toning. Adjust different color ranges for highlights and shadows. C. Selective colors adjustment. Modify specific colors while keeping others stuck. Number 5. HDR and high dynamic range editing. A. HDR merging. Combines multiple exposure for balanced and high detail image. B. Tone mapping. Enhance details in both shadows and highlights. Number 6. Composite and surreal manipulation. A. Photo bashing. Merging multiple images to create a new scene. B. Double exposure and blending modes. Layering image creatively to produce artificial effects. C. Parallax effects. Creating motion from static image using depth layers. Number 7. Texture and pattern creation. A. Displacement maps. Used to wrap textures around objects realistically. B. Procedural textures. AI and algorithm-based textures generation for unique surfaces. 8. Motion effect and cinematographs. A. Cinemagraphs, creating partially animated photos where only certain elements move. B. Motion blur and depth of field effect, enhancing realism in manipulated images. A. Photo bashing, merging multiple images to create a new scene.
Manipulation techniques open up a world of creativity. First, let's dive into layer blending. By adjusting the opacity and blending modes, you can create stunning effects that transform ordinary images into extraordinary art. Imagine merging a sunset with a cityscape where the colors seamlessly blend, creating a dreamlike atmosphere. Next, we have the power of masks. Masks allow you to isolate specific areas of an image, enabling precise edits without affecting the entire picture. This technique is essential for retouching portraits or combining multiple images into one cohesive piece. It's like having a digital paintbrush that only colors where you want it to. Finally, let's explore the magic of filters and effects. From vintage looks to high-contrast modern styles, filters can dramatically change the mood of your images. Experimenting with these can lead to unique visual storytelling, making your work stand out in a crowded digital landscape. Embrace these techniques and watch your creativity soar.